Hello everyone, especially grade 6. How are you today? I hope you all the best. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 3, Analyzing Rational Numbers by Using Models. Are you ready to study? Let's go! So now, let's remember sets of numbers that we have studied before. The first set, counting numbers, natural numbers, and set of integers. Okay, these three sets that we have studied before. Today we're going to talk about a new set. It's called rational numbers. What does it mean? Rational number is a number can be written in a form a over b, where a is an integer, b is an integer that is not equal 0. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني rational number can be written in this form a over b like a fraction. Okay, يعني any number you can write in this form. أي number ممكن تكتبه في الفورم دي، ده كده بيكون rational. Okay, ده كده definition. طب for example, to understand, like 3 over 4. This is a rational number. Already 3 over 4 is a fraction, so you can write in a fraction form. So it's called rational number. Okay, another example, 3. You may tell me that 3 is a whole number, not a fraction. Yes, but also you know that any whole has denominator 1. يعني أي whole number بيكون ليه denominator 1. يعني you can write in fraction like a over b. Okay, so any whole number is called rational number. Another example, 0.8 is decimal number, but you can write in fraction form like 8/10. You can write in a fraction form 8 over 10. Okay, so 0.8 or any decimal number you can write in a fraction form, so it's called rational number. Okay, the last one, -5. 5 is a whole number but negative. Okay, although you can write in a fraction form -5 over 1. Got it? Let's show more about rational numbers. All fractions and mixed numbers are rational numbers. What does it mean? It means that any fraction or any mixed number already is a rational number. For example, 3 over 4, you can write in a form a over b, so it's called rational. And 5 over 8 is a fraction, so it's a rational number. And 3 and 2 over 5, mixed number, so it's a rational number. Okay, and 13 over 5, برضو fraction, so it's called rational. Fraction but improper fraction. Okay, because numerator greater than denominator. Okay, so it's called rational number. Okay, next one, all decimals are rational numbers. Like 0.8 is a decimal, but you can write in a form a over b, 8 over 10. مش دي 8/10, and you can write in a form a over b, 8 over 10. So decimal is a rational number. And 2.5 you can write in a form a over b like 25 over 10 لأن دي كده 5/10. So you can write one decimal place like 10 in a denominator. Okay, طالما في one decimal place فبتكتب denominator عندك بيكون 10. تمام؟ فبرضه you can write any decimal in a fraction form or like a over b. The last one, 24 and 500. You can write in a form a over b, like all digits over 100, because you can write 2 decimal places as 100 in the denominator. Okay, so all decimals are rational. Okay, كل الديسيمالز برضه بيكونوا rational. The last note, all integers are rational numbers, like 3, because you can write in a form a over b, 3 over 1. Okay, برضو كل الwhole or integers we can write in a form a over b. Okay, -5. You can write in a form A over B like -5 over 1. تمام. The last example 0. You can write in a form A over B like 0 over 1. But here we have a note, very important note. Denominator must be any number except 0. ما ينفعش خالص الدينومينيتور يكون 0. يعني ما ينفعش خالص تقولي مثلا 5 over 0. لا، ده كده مش rational. تمام. يبقى you can write any number in denominator except 0. Got it? So now let's show summary of rational numbers. Rational numbers classified into non-integers and integers. Non-integers like what? Like fractions and decimals. يعني ايه؟ يعني rational numbers بيتقسموا ل 2 parts. Non-integers like fractions and decimals, and integers like negative or natural numbers. يعني negative like any whole but negative 3, like negative 3. And natural numbers like 0 and counting. Okay, you know that natural numbers classified into 0 and counting. Okay, يبقى اختصار كل الكلام ده ان الراشنال عندك بيكونوا ايه؟ fraction or decimal, negative number or 0 or counting number like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, now let's show using a Venn diagram a new important 2 words, subset of and belong to. عندنا كلمتين مهمين كودات هما subset of and belong to. Let's show counting numbers or set of counting numbers formed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, all positive numbers. Okay, that means 1 belong to set of counting numbers and 2 belong to set of counting numbers. 3 belong to set of counting numbers. So you can use the word belong to represent or express number that already inside the set. يعني أي number عندك بيكون جوه الست دي بتقدر تقول عليه إن هو belong to this set. Okay. And so on. The set of natural numbers already formed of counting and joining 0. يعني counting numbers already inside natural number by adding 0 و0 كمان معانا. Okay, so you can express 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0 are elements belong to natural numbers. يعني كل numbers دي عندك هي كمان برضو belong to natural numbers. تمام. And counting or set of counting numbers is a subset of natural number. يعني ايه بقى الكلام ده؟ وقبل ما نتلخبط let's compare between the word subset of and belong to. For example, by using number 5, 5 belong to set of natural numbers. So you can use belong to express the relation between any element or any number and set. تمام. So the same, number 2 belong to set of natural number and also 2 belong to set of counting number. تمام. طب can you tell me negative 3 belong to set of counting number or no? No, negative 3 doesn't be in counting. So you can say negative 3 not belong to set of counting numbers. Okay? So now let's show the word subset. Set of counting numbers is a subset of set of natural numbers. What does it mean? It means that word subset of is used for express the relation between two sets. يعني for example, set of counting is a subset of set of natural because set of counting already inside set of natural. Okay? So let's show a summary. The word belong to used for express the relation between number and the set. تمام. يعني لو عندك number وset هتشوفي number ده لو هو inside الset دي هتقول belong، لقيته مش inside هتقول not belong. تمام. لكن word subset of used for express relation between two sets, set and set. يعني لو لقيت الست دي جوه دي هتقول subset of، لقيت الست دي مش موجودة جوه دي هتقول not subset. For example, let's show the relation between natural, set of natural and set of counting. natural inside counting. بص كده، هل الناتشرال inside الكاونتنج؟ لا، counting هي اللي inside الناتشرال، صح كده؟ يبقى natural not is not subset of counting. Got it? Let's complete the sets of numbers. The next set we have set of integers that formed of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers or counting. Okay, so the set of counting already inside the set of integers. شايفين الcircle of counting هي already inside integers. Okay, so set of counting numbers is a subset of set of integers, and also set of natural numbers is a subset of set of integers. Okay, and the same, you can say negative 3 belong to set of integers. تمام، علشان ده كده number or element. تمام، احنا اي number جوه الست بنقول عليه element. اوكي، عشان لو جاتلك في السؤال ما تتلخبطش. يبقى negative 3 belong to set of integers and set of natural subset of set of integers. Okay, the last set we have rational numbers that formed of all these sets and by adding fractions and decimals. تمام، that means all these sets are subset of rational numbers. يعني كل الست دي هتكون هي subset من ال rational numbers. عشان كده شايف السيركل بتاعتها كبيرة ازاي؟ لأن هي contains all sets. Okay, let's have a summary that counting numbers are also natural, integers and rational numbers. Okay, that means set of counting numbers is the subset of natural, subset of integers, subset of set of rational numbers. Okay, and natural numbers is a subset of set of integers and set of rational numbers. Okay, and set of integers is a subset of set of rational numbers. تمام. Now let's show how do we represent rational numbers on a number line. Here we have a numbers, decimals and fractions. It's called rational numbers and we want to represent on number line. Number line formed of 0, positive and negative. Okay, so the first number 2.5 means positive numbers. So we have in positive 1, 2. So 2.5 or 2.5 in between 2 and 3 because 2 and part 2.5 or 2.5 2 هنزود عليها part بس. تمام، فهتيجي in between 2 and 3 in the middle. Okay, 2.5. And the next number 4.5 in positive part. هنيجي هنا عند ال 4 عايزين 4.5 يبقى in middle between 4 and 5. تمام، عشان احنا قلنا 4.5 يعني 4 وزودنا عليها كمان part اللي هي half، تبقى in between 4 and 5. Okay, the next number negative 2 and 1 over 3 in negative part. هنيجي هنا عند النيجاتيف ونشوف 2 and third. هنا عايز 2 and third يعني كمان هنزود على ال 2 part اللي هي third، فهنيجي نقول له هنا 2 negative 2 and third. Okay, and then negative 4.25 يعني هنا هتيجي عند ال 4 وتزود part كمان فهتبقى negative 4.25. Okay, بعد كده negative 5.5 نيجي عند نيجاتيف 5 اهي، نيجاتيف 5 مظبوط، نزود عليها بارت كمان. هو هنا 0.5 means half، فهتيجي عند الميدل بالظبط هنا وتعمل represent للنيجاتيف 5.5. okay. The next number negative 0.8 or negative 8 times. okay. that between 0 and negative 1. انت هنا هول عندك 0 الهول part 0 تمام، يبقى 0 and 8 times، يبقى هنا in between 0 and negative 1 تمام، and near to 1 تمام. هنقربها خالص كده للنيجاتيف 1 تبقى negative 0.8 تمام، لان هي very close لل 1. okay. the last one half positive half، هنيجي هنا in between 0 and 1 in the middle, exactly in the middle, half in the middle between 0 and 1 we represent the fraction half. okay. now let's solve the exercise. number 1 naming numbers match the numbers to the best subset. في عندنا rational, integer, counting, natural number. the first number is a decimal number. okay, so it must be a rational number. وانا هكتب اول letter من كل set عشان ننجز بس الوقت، ما نضيعش وقت كتير في الكتابة. the next number 4 for counting number. okay, and although natural 4 already natural هو positive يبقى natural and integer and rational. نفتكر counting كانت inside all sets right, but the smallest set that contains 4 بنجيب أصغر. هو سألني هنا عن the best subset تمام، يبقى هنجيب أصغر set خالص هو موجود فيها. أصغر set هي كانت counting. okay. letter C negative 455 يعني negative whole number. the smallest set that contains the negative is set of integers. okay. يعني احنا برضو ممكن نقول على النمبر ده rational، لكن هو سألني عن the best يعني عايز أدق set تمام، فهتكون set of integers. 0 the first set that contains number 0. the first set natural تمام. بعد ما قلنا الكاونتنج هما starting with 1 زودنا بعد كده 0 في الناترال numbers. okay. letter E negative and decimal in rational numbers. okay. الديسيمال بس موجود في الريشنال، ولا هو integer ولا counting ولا natural. okay. the next number mixed number 6 and 2/3 mixed also in rational تمام. negative 11 negative number so it must be at the first and set of integer. هنا عندنا negative 28.765 it must be in rational because it's a decimal number. half fraction rational، كل الفراكشنز والديسيمالز في الريشنال نمبر بس. okay. 1 positive and whole must be in counting at the first. هنا في عندنا 12.892 it must be a rational. the last one 4.9 also rational number. okay. the second question write belongs or doesn't belong. the first one negative 7 to set of natural numbers. هل natural numbers contains a negative? no, so negative 7 doesn't belong. okay. and 4/7 to set of rational numbers. rational numbers contains fractions and decimals. okay. يبقى دي belong 4/7 belong. خلي بالك هنا relation between numbers and sets، عشان كده بنستعمل belong and doesn't belong مش subset. okay. 3.17 decimal two set of integers. هل integers contains decimals؟ no، يبقى doesn't برضو، وهننجز بس وقتنا ونكتب على طول right and wrong. okay. 2 and 3/7 belong or not belong to counting. counting contains positive numbers Okay, positive, only positive numbers. So 2 and 3 over 7 doesn't belong to set of counting numbers. 0 and set of natural. 0 طبعا هو in natural, so it belong. The additive inverse of 44 to set of natural. نفتكر مع بعض additive inverse means negative 44. هل negative 44 belong natural? No, natural 0 and positive only. Okay. Write subset or not subset. Here we have relations between sets. Okay. The first one, set of rational numbers and set of natural. طبعا rational not inside natural تكون not subset. هتكتب not subset. Okay. Set of counting numbers and set of integers. هل counting numbers inside integers? Yes, counting positive starting with 1. طبعا هما موجودين في integers يبقى دي معانا subset. Set of natural numbers and set of integers. هل natural numbers inside integers؟ أيوة طبعا. integers اللي هما negative وزيرو وpositive، والناتشرال اللي هما مين؟ اللي هما 0 and positive، يبقى already inside set of integers. يعني معانا انت مش بتكتب صح وغلط على فكرة، انت بتكتب subset و not subset، بس عشان انا عايزة ما اطولش في الكتابة يعني. اوكي. set of integers and set of rational numbers. هل ال integers inside rational؟ طبعا rational is the greatest set we studied، يبقى طبعا integers subset of rational. Okay. set of integers and set of counting. هل ال integers inside counting؟ لا العكس، يبقى هنا هنقول not subset. set of counting and set of natural. هل ال counting inside الناتشرال؟ طبعا ال counting اللي هم البوزيتيف لما بنضيف ليهم الزيرو بيبقوا كلهم جوه الناتشرال، يعني subset. اوكي. Analyze relationships. Identify the statements that are always true. Select all statements that apply. Okay. The first one, all integers اللي هما positive, negative and zero are also natural numbers. طبعا غلط. ليه؟ إذا عندك البوزيتيف والزيرو بس هما اللي natural، لكن النيجاتيف integer مش natural. The next one, all counting numbers are also natural, integers and rational. طبعا صح الكلام ده، لأن ال counting هي already inside natural, inside integer, inside rational. ولو السؤال ده ملخبطك هترسم السيركل زي ما رسمناها قبل كده. أول سيركل معانا هي كانت ال counting، بعد كده الأكبر منها ال natural، بعد كده الأكبر integers، بعد كده الأكبر خالص ال rational، عشان تسأل نفسك على طول في inside ولا مش inside. Okay. all rational numbers are also integers. يعني هل ال rational subset of integers inside integers؟ بص كده على ال rational، هل هما inside ال integers؟ لا العكس طبعا، يبقى الكلام ده غلط. تمام. all natural numbers are also integers. الناتشرال also integers and rational. يعني natural inside الانتجرز والريشنال. طبعا natural اهي inside الانتجرز وكمان الريشنال، يبقى الكلام ده مظبوط. all integers are also rational. هل الانتجرز subset of rational؟ بص كده اهي، شايف الانتجرز subset of rational. السيركل دي جوه السيركل دي، يبقى مظبوط. The last one, all rational numbers are also whole numbers and natural numbers. يعني irrationals هما whole يعني ايه؟ whole يعني integers. تمام. هل هما كلهم whole irrational كلهم whole and natural؟ لا طبعا. هل irrational inside الانتجرز وكمان natural؟ لا العكس طبعا. اوكي. السيركل هتوضح لك اكتر وانت بتحل. حط السيركل جوه السيركل عشان تسهل لك في subset ولا لا. Write the given rational numbers in fraction form A over B. Okay, number 4 we can write in a fraction form 4 over 1. 2 and quarter change to be whole fraction. يعني نعمل multiply 2 times 4 then plus 1. 2 by 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. يبقى 9 over 4 denominator. 4 denominator. B 0 means 0 over 1. negative 3.17. هنكتبه ازاي fraction ده؟ تكتب هو negative اول حاجة، كل النمبر على بعضه 3 and 17 up numerator، وعندك 2 decimal places it means 100 in denominator. C negative 45 it means negative 45 over 1. والنيجاتيف ممكن نكتبها هنا، ممكن نكتبها هنا، ممكن عادي جدا تتكتب في اي مكان. اوكي it means that this fraction is negative. 0.75 it means 75 hundredths، يعني 75 over 100 عشان في 2 decimal places يعني 100. اوكي so negative 1.5 it means negative and 15 over 10. بعدين 0.15 يعني 15 hundredths، هنكتب 15 up وفي عندك 2 decimal places صح كده يبقى 100. The next question, write the opposite additive inverse number of each of the following. additive inverse يعني هنعكس الساين بس. هنا 3 over 7 positive, write in negative. negative 3 over 7. negative 2 over 5 تبقى 2 over 5. 0 additive inverse of 0 is 0. half the inverse of half negative half. negative 3 over 2 the additive inverse 3 over 2. 2 and third يبقى negative 2 and third. أسئلة بسيطة جدا. Error analysis. Student try to plot the following 6 numbers on a number line. Which points did the student plot correctly? Record all that apply. اوكي يعني هو هنا في عنده mistakes هو عملها واحنا عايزين نكتشفها. letter A 7 and 3 quarters. فين A؟ 7 and 3 quarters. so it's right كاتبها صح 7 and 3 quarters. B negative 8.52. فين B؟ B اهي 8 and فتبقى 8 and it may be after 8 لازم تكون يعني هنا في السبيس between negative 8 and negative 9. sorry it means be before 8 تبقى between A negative 8 and negative 9. تمام فالمفروض تبقى هنا في السبيس دي B هتكون negative 8.52. اوكي تبقى دي اول ميستيك معانا. بعد كده C 2.5 2.5 C اهي صح هي in between in the middle between 2 and 3 مظبوط 2 and على طول 2 and يعني هي اكبر من ال 2 in between 2 and 3. تمام تبقى دي صح. negative 5.5 it means 5 and half يعني between negative 5 and negative 6. فين دي؟ دي اهي in middle between negative 5 and negative 6 يعني صح. negative 2 and third. فين negative 2؟ مبدئيا عايزين نكون فاهمين negative 2 and it means between negative 2 and negative 3 يعني يجي هنا عند negative 2 E اهي موجودة between negative 2 and negative 3 مظبوطة شايفين E اهي between negative 2 and negative 3 يعني دي مظبوطة. negative 4 and half it means between negative 4 and negative 5. نشوف F كده هي هنا between negative 3 and negative 4 فطبعا هي غلط المفروض تكون في السبيس دي. تمام دي تبقى negative 4 and half in the middle. سؤال number 9 represent each of the following rational numbers on the number line. okay draw the number line and write starting from 0. نكتب أول 0 in the middle وبعدين نكمل positive and negative. تمام هنا 1 2 3 4 5. الديستانس دي انت بترسمها بالرولر لازم تكون ثابته. اوكي تعملها بالعلامات اللي هي في الرولر. اوكي هنا نيجاتيف 1 نيجاتيف 2 نيجاتيف 3 نيجاتيف 4. اوكي بعد كده انت عندك third in positive. third it means more than 0 and less than 1, in between 0 and 1. تمام. third you can represent here third. And then negative half. How? Between 0 and negative 1, because it between 0 and 1. يبقى هنيجي هنا negative half in the middle between 0 and negative 1. 3 and quarter. 3 and quarter means between 3 and 4 and quarter. هنا 3 and quarter. D negative 2 and 5. Sorry, negative 2.5 and 5 tenths يعني. Negative 2.5 means between 2 and 3 in negative. تمام. In the middle between negative 2 and negative 3, write negative 2.5. Okay, I think درس النهارده كان سهل جدا. So we have finished our lesson today. I hope you've got it.